Hey guys, my name is Gabriel and I'm gonna be doing a cool VPN lab. And to start with, I'm gonna be outlining what we're gonna be doing on this. We're gonna be having 3 layers of computers. And what do I mean by that? First, we're gonna have our personal machine open, and then we're gonna get a IP address and location details going to this site over here, or whatismyipaddress.com, and there we're gonna have all this juicy information over here: IP, ISP, city, region, and country. Then we're gonna open a virtual machine on Azure. For those that doesn't know what is a virtual machine is basically a server that rents out some part of itself, and it rents for you that wants to use their power, and then you just need internet for the connection. You don't need the hardware and all these things. And there I'm gonna set it to be in another country. Here we're gonna get the IP address as well, and the services, the city, region, and country as well. And then inside of the virtual machine on another country, we're gonna open a VPN, a free version of it, and that's gonna be in another country, and we're gonna get the same details as well. And inside that, we're gonna open Netflix, Disney, Xbox, and YouTube all inside of that country. That would show us how they see the same products. Let's see if it's gonna change the language, if it's gonna change the content. Pretty confident about that. So first, guys, we're gonna go to this address over here, Control C. I'm here in Google Chrome, Control V, and this is the details of my IP address. We're gonna copy that and put it here. We also gonna copy the ISP, which is the provider, the internet provider, which is 3 from me here. The city, where is my provider, in the region. You copy it as all, guys. V, and also the country. Yeah, this is the information we need over here. In my personal computer, I can close this window, and now we're gonna be going on the VM inside Azure. So guys, this is not about how to create a virtual machine inside Azure, but I'm gonna be showing you a brief overview of how we do that, and not gonna be showing how to open an account on Microsoft Azure as well. But it's pretty easy to set up, and you have like few free credits in it, so you can be doing a lot of labs for free for a long time. I think it's 200 euros credit at the beginning, so you can do a lot of free labs. So you put VMs in here, and then you go create. As I'm already have my machine, my virtual machine done, I don't need to be creating another one. But it's pretty easy. You're gonna go to create. Here, you're gonna be creating a research group. Probably you don't have one, so you create a new one, create a name for it, put it here. The virtual machine name is most used when you have like multiple virtual machines, but this is not the case. So I would put just something like Windows 10 or VPN/Win 10, because we're gonna be using Windows 10 in this one. You choose the country you want it in. In my case, I choose UK because I'm in Ireland. UK is just a next country. So the resorts are going to be allocated in this country, in south of UK. And skip. Then here you choose Windows 10 Pro, this version, because it's free services. It's easy for us. Standard, I like to go with like 2 nucleo, 8 gigs for the machine. I prefer like that because it's less space for laggings and stuff. Here you create a password and a user, and then you put review and create. But also never forget, click in here as well, licensing it, then you can create it. So my one is done and it's running. So we're just gonna copy the public IP address, Control C, and we're gonna remote access it. In my case, as I already accessed it, it was here easy. So I just go here and Control V and connect. This is the user that I already put, but for you, you would look like something like that. So you're just gonna put your information. I have it saved here somewhere. Yep. And now we are inside the VM, guys. Inside the VM, we are in UK. Here, we're gonna go browsing the internet. If you already forgot the site that I gave you, it's simple. I took notes of it. It's what is my IP address. Get this, copy, and here we are in London. Copy the IP address and put it here. Copy this, put it here. Service data center. Say, oh, there's another stuff in here. Speak. You can also write it if you want. England. Just let's put UK. And now we're gonna access a VPN inside of this machine. So we can close this, and here I already downloaded, guys, but you can just go here. And Proton is a free tool to use. Right, Proton VPN. If you wanna put yes, and then you access it here. Get Proton VPN and go through, open your account. It's free. You can access VPN from 4 different countries. It's super worth it, guys. Downloaded it and install in your machine. Here, after you finish, you're gonna go to Proton VPN. You sign in and you click in connect. They're gonna redirect you to one of the countries, and they redirect me to Netherlands. So now I'm protected. I'm supposedly in Netherlands. And what is my IP? My IP address.com, and here is other information, guys. You can see here the IP. The service is a VPN service. I'm gonna copy the service here. Amsterdam, copy to Ctrl V. The region, it's in Holland something, and the country Netherlands. Yep. And now the famous moment, guys. Let's check it out. Netflix. Let's see if I can connect to YouTube, Netflix, Disney first. So you can see the language is already different. Let's click in this one. So for to change the language, but I don't want to change the language though. I'm gonna check the way it is, and probably this is accept their language. You can see in Euro, yeah, it's understandable. Here, a bunch of things. Some we can understand, some not. And now let's open YouTube. YouTube, except, let's see. They don't have like anything. Is it trending? This is trending in Netherlands right now, guys. Short videos that never happened as before. Now, let's see Xbox for the gamers out there. The language different. Yeah, guys, it's taking forever. I can't wait for that. Gross. The site looks gross. That's it, guys, for today. That's how I did it. And those are the information we get. We were in three different countries today. Ireland, also in the UK, and in Netherlands by using a virtual machine and a VPN.